Hello everyone, as you can see here, this is a Samsung smartphone with kind of shuttered screen. Everything works fine except the looks, so what I'm planning to change it anyway. To change the complete LCD is really expensive, does not matter which model. Okay, almost all of them, but some models you can only change the digitizer, example this one. So today here, as you can see, this is Xcover 4. Okay, I'm going to show you the model number, settings, about the phone. You can see the Galaxy Xcover 4. Alright, so that's the model, SM-G390F. so we're going to replace just the digitizer. This is very simple. You should have a couple of tools, including the hot air gun or the hair dryer, double-sided tape in case if you need it, and then the adhesive also we have, and some kinds of flat opening tools, tweezer, and the plastic cut. This is really good to separate the digitizer from the screen. I'm going to show you how to apply this. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. Okay, so first we're going to apply some heat. Make sure you turn it off. The best way to take out the battery. So now we're going to open it from the top. Okay, so it seems it's hot enough. So first I'm going to make a gap in between the mid frame and the digitizer, trying to find a gap. Yeah. Fine. And then just slide in this plastic card and try to go around like that, exactly that way. Coming off. Right. Yep. All right, so now this side is already open. We must need to apply some more heat in here. Then it's going to be easier to take it out. Use this card again. Okay, can you see the flex goes from the left hand side if I hold it like that in my way? So obviously the LCD flex everything also in that side, so just gently go until that much. So now, to disconnect this digitizer connector, we must need to lift up this screen also, which is very sensitive. You need to be very careful if you are doing first time. Okay, it's fine. Now we must need to find a way to lift it up from this side LCD, but if we lift up a little bit, not too much, because remember the connector is in right here, but once you lift up your digitizer, it makes a little gap, as you can see here. So from here we can get in and go a little bit farther. There are some adhesive, but very strong. See, it's like coming out slowly. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I don't know, still okay or not. Yeah, as you can see, the adhesive was there, kind of rectangular. So now we can disconnect it. Yeah, we just need to save this, which is that one. Alright. Let's take out both of them. Now the actual digitizer connector connected to the screen with a latch, so make sure you unlatch it. Yeah, this is from the back, don't pull from the front, it's from the back. And then separate it. There is also, they use kind of adhesive. Okay, don't press too hard in here, easy to damage. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out first. Now we can take it out like that. That's the actual screen. This one is damaged, but one thing we must need to take it out from here, the filter, the ear speaker filter. So first I'm going to check in my replacement if that is included or not. Yeah, it's in here. There is no mesh, I mean there is no filter. So before you throw it out, make sure you keep it separate. Okay, then give it a clean. Okay, just put it back before you forget. Okay, right here. Now we're going to give a little clean to the actual screen. I'm going to use the PCB cleaner, or you can use any kinds of alcohol. Can you see, if you focus, it's going to be properly cleaned. Yeah. You need to peel this off. The filter already came out. Good. Right, it's connected properly. Now it's super simple. Make sure you clean it a bit if this is not clean. My one is clean anyway. There is no any old adhesive left over, but still, if you feel so, just wipe it with your brush. And don't forget, there is one thing we forgot to take out, this button. Okay, apply some heat again just to take this out. Yeah. Put it in the right way. Let me double check. It seems it's fine. Now we're going to connect and put it back. Hopefully everything will be okay. Okay. It's connected properly. I'm going to turn this on before I completely close it, just to find out if this is working or not. So let's put the battery in. Okay, so the touch panel is working. Yeah, I can see everything is fine, it seems. So let's turn it off. Power off. Good. So now we're going to close it back because they added some adhesive which is pre-installed in here. Super simple and easy. Good. The job is done. Let's put it back. Put the back cover in. That's how simple it is. Still, if you feel any doubt about the adhesive, you can put some kind of sellotape just to keep it extra support for another few minutes. or even hours, then it should be fine. The button also make proper click noise. I'm completely satisfied. So you can save your money without changing the whole LCD. You can just change the top part. Obviously, in that way, your LCD has to be okay before before we change it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Still, if you do have any question regarding this model, feel free to leave it in the comment section, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.